All right. Today we are learning a new strategy that can help us solve number problems. This is something we've talked about in class. Do you remember what it's called? Yeah, it's called a number line. And it keeps on going and going in both directions. That's why we see an arrow at each end. We are going to be working from numbers from 0 to 10 today. And ready for our math problem? Okay. So number lines can help us solve math problems. Looking at this math problem, what's the first thing we need to do? What do we need to look at? Yeah, the sign. This sign is called a minus sign. So that's telling us that we need to subtract. We need to take away. Now, this is how we use a number line to help us. We're going to look at this number. That's what we do every single time. After we've looked at the minus, the sign, and we can see that it's a minus sign, we always need to look at the first number. What number do you see? Yeah, I see a 6 too. So that number tells us where we need to plop ourselves down. We're going to draw a big circle right there, big dot on our number line where number 6 is. That is where we are starting. Now we're going to take away a number. What number are we going to take away? And how do you know? Yeah, we're taking away 1 because we always know that the second number is our takeaway number. And how we use a number line is we start at 6 and we're going to jump. We get to jump. Woo! And where we land is our answer. So we just made 1 jump back because we're taking away 1. So 6 minus 1 is 5. Let's do another one. I'm going to clean up my board. Seven minus 3. Okay, so we see a minus sign and we know it's subtraction. The next number we're looking at is the first number. We're going to plop that big dot where number 7 is. That's where we're starting. Now, how many jumps do we need to do? Well, that's where the second number comes in. That's how many jumps backwards we're doing. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 jumps. We are taking away 3 things. We are going backwards by 3. So 7 take away 1, 2, 3. Where did we land? Yeah, we landed on number 4. So 7 minus 3 equals 4. So I have sent your parents a piece of paper that they can print off. If you do not have a printer, you can always print. If you don't have a printer, you can always have mom or dad draw a number line for you. If not, you can go get a ruler. And a ruler can help us do our number line math because a ruler is a line of numbers. Let's try doing 5 take away 2. What is that? Okay, where do we need to start? We know that we're doing subtraction. The first number tells us where we need to start. I'm going to find 5 and I'm going to draw a dot. If you don't have a whiteboard, you can use a piece of paper and put your ruler on top. How many things are we taking away? How many jumps backwards are we doing? Yeah, 2. So we're going to start at 5 and we'll go back 1, 2. What number did we land on? 3. And there we go. I hope you had fun. And I hope you have fun doing math with the number line. Let me know if you have any questions and if you need any help with subtraction.